Hey guys, welcome to another diecast review. Today we're going to look at some Johnny Lightnings from this year. Pretty cool castings that I found from late 2017, early 2018, coming up to almost April now. Actually, these are my two most recent coolest finds, a part of my whole stack of cars. I don't know what's up with these, but here is a look at them. It appears that these are maybe some sort of chase or an error. I don't know exactly, but I did find two of them at different stores. So, who knows? I'll find out later, and I will post about them on Instagram at Martinsdiecastreview. Another really cool find is I found a few white lightnings in 2017. So, this one actually here is very cool. There we go. It's a very cool white lightning piece. It's supposed to be, I think, orange, if I'm not mistaken. So I was able to find this, and it was probably one of the greatest finds of white lightnings that I found. Next to this one here, here is a tiny house white lightning that I found. Very cool. This one actually I found really late at night, which made me think that nobody really collects at my store. But I do have a lot of collectors at my store, so when I do find stuff, I am very happy that I was able to find some. Next, let me grab the other one here. I thought I had another one. Here. Ooh. Alright, I guess I don't have the other one with me, but I do have another one of these here. This is the 1980 Toyota Land Cruiser. I did purchase another one to open up, but I don't know where I'm keeping that one. But I will open up this one here. Probably should open up this one. Actually, I'll be right back. Well, I could not find my other one. I'm pretty sure that it's chilling in my car. But, like I said earlier, you'll see some of these later on my Instagram page. I will definitely open up the other one. I'm not opening this one up because I think this one was the one with the better packaging, and the other one had the bad packaging. But, like I said, you guys will see that opened up on at a different time. Up next is the 55 Chevy two-door sedan with the Hot Rod Power Tour. And I ended up picking up two of these. Let's see. I do have another one. Certain castings I did pick up more than one because I really like some of these castings. But here is the other variation of this. And this one will be the one to be opened, but let's get situated here and figure out which one of these two I will be opening up. Well, definitely keeping that one in the package, so I'm going to have to open that guy up. Bear with me. I will edit these videos, that way nobody has to listen to me talk so much. But here is a look at the Power Tour. Definitely a cool casting. Let me know what you guys think of this camera work today. I am using a different camera, and it is mounted up literally like up here. So I need to know what you guys think. I have to put those here. So I said I will be opening this guy up. Oh, by the way, these are one of $19.99 now because I opened that up. It's been a while since I've opened up any Johnny Lightnings, so bear with me. Definitely a cool piece. The hood does open up. Or at least it's supposed to open up. Looks like it does. Does it open the other way? No, it should not open the other way. It should open the correct way. Really like that metal flake paint on top. Very cool. I wonder if we will see the 55 later on from Roadkill. Some of you guys are aware of Finnegan's 55. Very beautiful car. I can't. It's supposed to open, but it doesn't want to open. You guys feel me? Very cool. I still got to figure out the focus on here, but it is a very cool casting. Very, very nice. Glad I opened that one up. Then here is a look at the other one. I had to pick up an extra one of these. When it first came out, I could not find more. And then later on, I ended up finding more. And especially now with Toys R Us closing, a lot of collectors are not coming out like they used to. Really sad. I talked to a collector who said if Toys R Us was supposed to keep some stores, that my local Toys R Us would have been one of the ones that would have stayed open. Oh, there we go. This one opened up really nicely. Look at that detail in there. And now I'm trying so hard, guys, with this new camera. It's actually not new, but I've had it for some time. Just haven't used it for diecast reasons. But it is really cool. Very nice casting. It's similar to this one here. It's just different color. So I don't think we will see Finnegan's 55. I think he has a 55, if I'm not mistaken. Blasphemy, is that what it was called? But really like the roof on these. It's a very nice metal flake blue paint on a dull gray. Really nice. Very cool. You will definitely see more of that in the future. So up next, I am not opening this one, but here is another 50s. Here, this one is a 56 Chevy school bus. This one, as you can see, it's kind of dusty because it's been sitting out waiting to be reviewed for a while. I never found a second one, but I'm glad I ended up picking this one up because originally I did see this on the pegs. I didn't pick it up, didn't see it for a while, and then seen it at a different store on the pegs. So I had to pick this up. Very cool, very unique. Really like all this colored nonsense that's going on. Really nice. Very cool packaging. Great job by Johnny Lightning for their amazing work. So I'm going to skip one vehicle here real quick because I want to cover this one. I ended up picking up two of these also, which is the 1970 Chevy's Blazer. Here's another one. This one looks to be in a nicer packaging, so I'm going to keep that one packaged. But I wanted to open this one up. If you don't know by now, I am a Chevy person. Really like my Chevys. Really cool. This one is a very nice piece. Try to get this hood open up. No. I believe this one does open up backwards. Does it open up backwards or no? No, that might just be the no. Anyway, let's take a look. Really like that blue Chevy emblem there. It's a very nice Blazer. Would have been nice if the tailgate opened, but it does not. Very cool. I did pick up another one. This one actually looks super original. Oh, this one has rubber wheels, by the way. This one looks super original. I ended up finding this. This is A, and this is B right here. B looks stock, original, factory. Look at that beautiful interior. Very nice detail. Once again, Johnny Lightning, you get what you pay for. Then next, I have also A and B, but these are the International 1200 pickup truck. Very nice red and yellow. This is school bus yellow, Harvester red. Very nicely detailed trucks. I thought I picked up a second one of these. I did not. In fact, I am a little upset about that because this is another casting that I would definitely love to open up. It has a nice long bed. Very, very nice. These are very nice trucks. I actually, so let's see, what does it say here? Johnny Lightning, okay. So it comes with some classic facts, which is really cool. But, this International overall has a little place in my heart. So anytime I see Johnny Lightning, especially Johnny Lightning, when they came back, they started releasing all these internationals. If you see, a lot of the vehicles here are international or older vehicles because I really like classic vehicles, and definitely the international pickup trucks from the 40s up until the early 70s, I believe. Something that I want to do in the future as a project. So definitely be on the lookout for that in the future. But I ended up picking up this also. Sorry, I have to keep pressing to make sure that the camera's still rolling. I picked this up since, first of all, it's primer gray. Someday I'll paint it, which is really funny. But I did pick this one up, hoping to find another one. If I do, I will open up another one. If not, I'll end up opening this one. But this is a project in progress. It's really cool. Another series that Johnny Lightning has is Barn Finds. It's also a pretty cool series. I do have some more Johnny Lightnings. I just don't know where I put them. But these were all grouped up together. So that means I was definitely going to make a video. But earlier in the video, you guys seen this same color vehicle in that other packaging. Like how I said, I don't know if that was a mistake or those are a chase. But the other one is supposed to be green, not this color. But I do have this, so that makes a really cool piece to talk to people about when they ask. It's really nice, really cool. Very satisfied. I've actually spent more money on Johnny Lightning this year and last year than I ever have. But here is another cool casting, which is the 65 Chevy truck with boat and trailer. This one actually was gifted to me, which was really cool. I was going to pick one up, and then I ended up having this gifted to me. It's very cool. Really like the classic trucks. Very nice. Then I have, let's see, what do I have? I have two green internationals. Here is another release of the Gone Fishing from 2017. This is what you guys seen as the White Lightning over there. So I'm glad I picked this up. I believe I've shown this one in a different video. May be mistaken, but like how I said, I had to do a video. Or actually, I don't know if I said that or not, but I had to do a video on this. So here it is. I will open up one of these two. Which one of you wants to be the lucky one to be opened? Let's see. I pick this one in my left hand. Going to open this up very carefully. The International Scout is another one of those trucks that I like. I actually was going to do a project, but my buddy stopped me the one time that he shouldn't have. Stopped me from getting in over my head. It's always good to have buddies like that. If you have a friend who tells you not to do something because it's a bad idea, listen to them. Because that thing would have needed a lot of work. But here it is. It's really cool. The boat actually does come right off. Does it float? That I can't tell you, but I can tell you that it does have some good detail to it. Very nice. Here's a look at the International Scout. The hood opens up backwards on the Scout. Oh. But it does have a detailed engine. It's pretty cool. Very nice. Really like the Johnny Lightning International Scout. Very nicely detailed. Probably the best replica out there. But it is cool. This is another casting that you will definitely see on my Instagram page. And don't worry guys, I've edited this video and made it smaller because the actual time of the video is a little bit longer. But what can I say? Some of you guys do enjoy watching my videos and listening to me talk, which I thank you guys so much for that. And I thank you guys so much for the support of this channel. It really means a lot to me. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel for more content and some more informational videos coming up in the near future. Definitely going to have to talk about what's going to happen with Toys R Us now that they're closing all of their stores. Definitely have a lot of information coming to you guys very soon. But there is a look at my Johnny Lightnings. I thank you guys so much once again for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.